welcome back to Ashadorable. The premise of the show is to paint my face before I go. We are here and games are still happening. I do hope that our players are staying safe though. All of the COVID outbreaks have not been fun. With that said, I am going to be doing Rivals this week. I am a through and through Baltimore Ravens fan. I promise my company colors are not based off of well, my production color is not based off of my love for Baltimore Ravens, but it just helps. Definitely. So we're going to dive into it with the black and yellow, doing a cool vibe inspiration off of the Pittsburgh Steelers. So as you guys know, I love Juvia's palettes. I use some vitamin E oil on my skin just to kind of like help keep, feeling good. I'm definitely using At Freak. If not At Freak, I think the Warrior 3 by Juvia. Isn't this case just gorgeous though? They both have a really nice yellow in there. So one has a Nzinga, which I don't think I've even dabbled in yet. Like, how beautiful is that? And the other one has Araya. So that beautiful yellow definitely be an inspiration for today. So as I said, I use a little bit of some vitamin E oil, a little bit of some Sailor Ginkgo Vapor. It's like a dry body oil, which I love, so it means I can still put makeup on after I apply it. Heck yes. So I'm going to use a little bit of this e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. Ooh la la. Okay, so we're going to use some of this Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the color Cano. So I want to set this, what I've done so far, since it's an overall look. Let's get into these brows. So now we're going to go in with the concealer. We're going to keep it a little on the lighter side. Beauty Bakery. Okay. I know this is like my blush brush and all kind of other stuff, but I just use it for what I need it for. Look at this. I picked up a little bit and I got a lot. Now we're gonna go in with our black and yellow colors. All right, so we're gonna compare the two, okay? So this is what the Ayad trying to get on. And I say that because normally I'm kind of able to pick it up. I hope I didn't ruin it with that alcohol. I'm feeling how Nzinga's coming up, and it's not just because of timing. I think I just like the color. So I'm using this e.l.f. H2O proof pen. Shout out to e.l.f. for putting out a really awesome liner. I'm taking this smudger, and in between the liner, I'm going to use this grayish, actually I'm going to use a black. It's like a grayish black. Cool, awesome, boom, bomb, mascara time. I'm using this Essence Lash Princess. Shout out because it's super dope. So let's just be honest, I'm doing a black lip. I was gonna like suspense to it. I'm doing a black lip. This is by OA Studio. It's actually a metallic Wonder Metal. So it's metallic black. Before I completely smudge it in, I actually have this Special Effects Cream color by NYX. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that actually to kind of spice it up. It's actually gold, so I think it works. Let's conceal underneath the eye. So that's that on that. I really like the black like all the way through. I'm gonna go back over it one more time and just put it metallic black. It's like a Goth queen almost. I'm gonna probably take a little bit of highlight with some of these yellows. Yeah, I'm probably gonna use that same Nzinga by the Warrior as my highlight. Okay, y'all, here is the final reveal. So weird wearing their colors as a Ravens fan, but like, you guys made me do it. If you want to do something outrageous with it, do it. Definitely go for it. I think it's the best thing ever to just like be inspired. With that said, thank you so much for watching. Ash Adorable. It's been a pleasure having you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye!